This sketch effect right here evidently brings an hour's worth of work down to only 2 minutes. Let's check it out. This is a new series called Will It Work, where we test out templates to figure out whether they're as good as they say they are. Tell me more. Today we're going to be testing out the sketch effect, which you can get on Envato Elements. We're going to test it out by creating these 4 animations. I'm seeing now that the sketch effect is a Premiere Pro template, and what it seems to do is instantly add a burst of, you could say, dynamism to an otherwise static clip or logo or graphic, transforming simple footage into something a little bit more eye-catching. With a Mogart, you actually get the power of After Effects right inside Premiere Pro, making complex layering and stylized effects incredibly easy. No need for heavy comps or manual keyframing. All you're gonna have to do is drag, drop, and let the magic happen. Admittedly, the very one big downside with Mogarts is that they tend to take up a lot of processing power, aka they tend to lag. That's the one thing that we're really gonna be taking a specific look on as we test this Mogart. First things first, I gotta download this pack from Envato Elements, so I'm gonna click on the first link in this video. I'm gonna click on Get Unlimited Downloads. Then I'm gonna click on the individual plan and click Start Now. Then after that, you're gonna click on the second link, and that'll bring you to the actual product page on Envato Elements for the sketch effect. Make sure you click Download. After everything's downloaded, you're gonna go and click on the folder that contains the Mogart. You're gonna have 2 options, the 4K Mogart and the Full HD Mogart. We're just gonna use the HD Mogart for now. What you're then gonna do is you're gonna go into your graphic templates folder. If you don't see this folder, go to Window and make sure that graphic templates is checked. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna click on this button, and you're going to go over and drag that Mogart that you just downloaded. And then you're gonna click on that same Full HD Mogart to drag it into Premiere Pro. Then drag that Mogart into your timeline. Then go over to the Properties tab. If you don't see the Properties tab, go to Window and make sure that it's checked here. In the Properties window, you can see all the different parameters that you can use to actually control and edit this effect. The most important one is the top one, where you actually import your media. Let's import this Instagram logo. You can see in the program window, the effect immediately takes effect. My computer's a relatively fast computer, and it seems to be a little bit laggy as far as playing through this Mogart. Let's render it through and see how it plays. It seems to play through relatively fast once it's rendered out. Alright, this is a pretty straightforward process. I can now do the same thing with the CNN logo, the Lego logo, and the Pepsi logo. I wouldn't necessarily see me using this pack every day, but it is a cool and quick fix as far as just adding a little bit of, again, dynamism and movement and texture to an otherwise boring, bland, and static logo. Because it's a Mogart, it's easy to use in Premiere Pro. You don't have to open up After Effects. It seems to be a pretty light Mogart at that, which is great. It's not crazy laggy, especially after you render it. Because of that, I'd probably rate it a 6.5 out of 10. If I didn't already have access to this pack in Envato Elements, would I buy it? Probably not, but I still respect it. What do you guys think?